How to convert image to PDF file. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Play Store. In the search bar, search for image to PDF converter. Tons of applications will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. You need to install this application on your device, so tap on Install. Now wait for a while for it to complete. Once the application has been installed, tap on Open. Tap on Next. Well, it will land you on this interface. At the top left corner, you can see the option of Image to PDF. Click on it. Tap on Allow. Now select the image that you want to convert it into PDF. Let me select these three images for now. Once you have selected the image, tap on Import at the bottom right corner. Now from here you need to select the size of your PDF file. You can only select the size which is free. So let me tap on Letter. Now from here select the effect that you want to add it on your PDF file. Let me select this one. You can also modify the effect by tapping on Adjust at the bottom. Adjust the effect as per your need. Once you are done, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Tap on Done. Now simply tap on Create PDF. And there you go, the image has been successfully converted into PDF file. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to convert image into PDF file. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.